Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to fold Honda Pilot seats flat. Remove headrests and release the seat latches at the base, then fold the bottom cushion forward. Push the seat back forward until it locks flat with the cargo floor. Use the strap or lever located near the hinge for stubborn seats. Check for items trapped in crevices before folding. Practice once to remember each step and avoid surprises. Start by clearing the cargo area and removing loose items from pockets and floor. Fold armrests up and move front seats forward a bit to create space. Inspect seat tracks and hinges for debris and lubricate if needed to ease movement. Keep a soft pad nearby to protect upholstery while folding heavy items into the cargo area. Take your time to avoid pinched fingers or scratched surfaces during the process. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for storing manuals, maps, and checklists for trips. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I find the Paperwhite bright and lightweight, great for waiting at repair shops or planning gear. Check the description for the link and other deals. You can grab one if it suits you. Now let's get back to the video. Locate the release levers on the seat base or pull straps behind the seat back to initiate folding. Fold the bottom cushion up first, then guide the seat back down until it lies flush with the cargo floor. For second-row seats, use the one-touch lever for quicker operation when available. If a seat is stiff, wiggle it gently while applying steady pressure to avoid sudden drops. Store headrests to prevent rattles and damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.